How to activate Green Dot Prepared Gift Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about on enabling your Green Dot Prepared Gift Card in the year 2024. So please adhere to these straightforward instructions and follow me. Initially, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser and go to the official website of green.com. Then you will be able to view their official web page of Green Dot Bank and also enter the green dot slash activate, and then you will enter it to this kind of page where it's indicating the help page contacting to the official help desk. So according to the given instructions, if you'd like to activate your green dot, you have the option to dial the designated phone line for the support. You need to input your card information to finalize the activation procedure first. And as an alternative, you have the option to dial the designated phone line for your support and enter all the info requested, including your personal info and the card details. You have to enter the 3-digit CVV on the back of your card, and start using upon the success activation. So by adhering to these guidelines, you will successfully activate your card in a prompt and effortless manner. I trust that you have discovered this manual to be beneficial and enlightening in facilitating the activation of your Green Dot Prepared card. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.